Okay, so in this video we are looking at the Pearson Edexcel entry-level certificate mathematics entry level 3 component 2, and it's a calculator test. Okay, you will need a protractor for this test. Okay, answer all questions. The total number of marks for this paper is 12. Okay, it doesn't actually give a time limit here, but I think it is 30 minutes, guys. I think it is 30 minutes. Okay, I believe. Okay, it's a 30-minute test. Okay. This is question number 1. Okay, answer all questions. Write answers in the spaces provided. A newspaper costs £1.26. A box of chocolates costs £2.34. What is the total cost? Well, I've got £2.34 plus £1.26. So it's a decimal addition, so decimal column addition. Okay, lining up everything in the correct place values. Okay. So 4 plus 6 is 10, so 0, carry the 1. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus the 1 is going to be 6. Okay, decimal point lines up, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so your answer is £3.60, £3.60. Okay, this is question number 2. Work out 6 times 13. So a column multiplication. Okay, again, I can do it, any other method, okay, or whatever method you feel to see fit, okay, whatever you're comfortable with. 6 times 3 is 18. So 8, carry the 1. Okay, sorry about my handwriting, guys, I apologize. Okay, carry the 1. 1 times 6 is 6, plus the 1 is going to be 7. So your answer is 78. Okay, for question number 2. Okay, and it's worth 1 mark. Question number 3. 2 sweets cost 32 pence. Work out the cost of 6 sweets. Well, 2 to 6, I'm going to multiply it by 3. Okay, so therefore I'm going to multiply the price for 2 sweets, okay, by 3. 32 times 3. Okay, or 32 add 32 add 32. When you work it out, okay, I believe the answer is 96. Okay, let's just double check. 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. So answer is 96 pence. Okay. So you can, just make sure that you have your units there as well. Okay. Or 0.96 of a pound, okay? But in this question, obviously, it's labelled as P for pence. This is question number 4. Here is a rectangle. Work out the perimeter. So the perimeter is the total distance around the shape, okay? So 17 plus 8 plus 17 plus 8. Well, 17 plus 8 is 25. Okay, and then if I double that, that will give me my answer. So that'll be 50 meters. Okay, so the perimeter of this shape of this rectangle, okay, is 50 meters. Okay, so make sure that the M is just obviously clear there. So M for meters. Okay. And if it doesn't have units here, make sure to always put units here in your exam, guys, okay? Especially for GCSE and even A-level maths here, and even A-level physics here and GCSE physics, okay? Because it's so important here to include the units, okay, in your answer. Otherwise, without a context here to your answer here, your answer here might actually be meaningless. Okay, so always add units where appropriate. Question number 5. A train leaves at 9:30 a.m. Okay, it takes 45 minutes to get to London. What time does it arrive? Well, if I add 30 minutes to this, then I get 10 o'clock. And then if I add another 15 minutes, I get 10:15. Okay. Because remember that the hour obviously is when the minutes hand hits 60 minutes. Okay, that's the next hour. So your final answer is 10:15. Okay, 10:15 a.m. Okay, or 10:15 actually, because it doesn't actually say a.m. here, but I'm assuming based on the figure there, I'm basing it on a.m. Okay, but it could be p.m. Okay. Question number 6, measure the angle. So you would use a protractor to measure that. That's what I call an acute angle, okay? So the angle will be less than 90, but obviously bigger than 0. Okay, that's what I call an acute angle. So you would get your protractor. Obviously, I've not got like an online protractor, so I apologize in advance. Okay, your protractor here looks something like this. Okay, it's got like a little center point. Then you got all the lines here. Okay, you would put your center on here. Okay, and then measure this way around. Okay, so yeah, it is an acute angle. So you'll have two readings. Okay, the reading that you want is the one that's that is smaller than 90. Okay, because you'll have like an obtuse reading, and that's actually incorrect because it depends on where you actually read it from. Okay, but you are reading it, from this way round. Okay, so if you follow the arrow with your protractor, okay, it will come out to be something like 76 degrees or something like that. Okay, as like an estimate. Okay, or higher or lower. Okay. Question number 7. Here is the thermometer. What is the temperature? Okay, so -5 is there, -6, -7. So your answer is -7 degrees Celsius. This is question number 8. Work out the difference between 941 and 268. So difference just means, the biggest number take away the smallest number. Okay, so the largest number subtract, the smallest number. Okay, 1 take away 8 I can't do, so I need to borrow. That goes to a 3. That now becomes an 11. 11 take away 8 is 3. 3 take away 6 I can't do, so I have to borrow from here on exchange, sorry. That goes to 8. That goes to 13. Okay, I've taken off a 10. 13 take away 6 is 7. And 8 take away 2 is 6. So your answer is 673, guys. Okay, question number 9. 5 meters is how many centimeters when I'm going to multiply by 100? 5 times 100, 5 lots of 100, okay, is equal to 500 centimeters. Okay. Oops, sorry about that. Sorry about my handwriting today, guys. Hopefully you can forgive me. Okay. So 5 meters is equivalent to, i.e. the same as 500 centimeters, okay? Because the conversion is 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Question number 10. 32 eggs are packed in boxes of 6. How many boxes are full? So boxes of 6. So I'll do 32 divided by 6. Now this is going to give me a decimal answer. Okay, or a remainder. So 6 into 32, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, so it goes in 5 times with a remainder of 2. So how many boxes are full? That'll be 5 boxes that are full, because 5 lots of 6 is 30. And part B, how many eggs are left over? Well, that's my remainder, so that'll be 2, okay, because it's 5 remainder 2, okay, so it's 5 with 2 left over, okay, so 5, boxes of eggs, go into 32 wholly, okay, so 5 boxes, and then the remainder, okay, the leftover eggs, which is what I call the remainder, is 2, okay. Right, guys, that's the end of today's paper. So total for question 10 is 2 marks. Total for the paper is 12 marks. Okay, hopefully you found it useful. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all inside the next video. Okay, bye for now. Take care. All the best. See you soon.